Hello, guys. Yeah, it's a new season in the spirit and the anointing overflow. It's a new season in the spirit. Let the sons of God arise. Let the sons of God arise. Guys, I'm really feeling like Mommy Gio now with my glasses and hairstyle. To God be the glory. Shiloh 2023 is a success. I'm a winners. Yeah. So we just concluded the annual Shiloh 2023. In fact, I'm so blessed. Spiritually, I'm uplifted. I'm so blessed. And I can see the blessing flying across every participant all over the world. Shiloh 2023 is my Shiloh, is your Shiloh. Yeah, so I just want to say it was indeed a blessed annual congress, and I'm so glad. So I'm back home now. I have a lot of things to do this weekend. Oh my god, because of this Shiloh, it has started since Tuesday. I've been piling up a lot of stuff, but I'll try as much as possible to conclude them today. Yeah, but among other things I'll be doing today, I have to say I want to do Zobo. To think this is December 2023. I bought Zobo December 2022. December 2022 when last I was in Nigeria, and I I have packed it then since then that I'll make Zobo in the UK. Guys, you won't believe he's been lying there in my bag. For some weird reason, it's been lying there in my bag. So today, I'm going to braid the jeans. I'll be making the Zobo and I will carry you guys along because I bought pineapple now over 2 weeks. Yes, almost 2 weeks. It's been there. It's already drying up. So I'm like, what is this? So the yoke of procrastination have broken it in this Shiloh. Now I'm getting everything done. Everything that has piled up on my neck, I receive strength, I receive grace. I am doing everything because this is my season to flourish in hard times, and it is your season too to flourish in hard times. No matter what the economic is saying, because we are the redeemer of the Lord, we will flourish in hard times. No matter how they are saying it, when people are saying cast it down, we will be shouting lifted up because the Lord has redeemed us. And yeah, this is it. Yeah, so it is our season. I would love for you guys when I'm doing the process, and I hope you enjoy it. Guys, you are not giving me the vibe. Please be liking my video. How will you just come to my video and view and go? Just use your hand and type that thing like this. That is like now. You don't know what like is. It's free, oh. Guys, it's free. This is a new year. Oh. Make it part of your new year resolution to support Pedesi. Make it part of your new year resolution to support my channel, guys. What is not to be loved about this girl? What is not to be loved about this girl? She doesn't worry, she can't be bothered, she's just doing her thing. So you need to love her. By fire, by force. You must, yeah, support me. I'm just kidding, guys, but truth be told, I need more of your participation on my channel. I'm not vlogging that video for myself. I'm vlogging it for your views, support, review, and all that. Please, guys, share with your family members. I've promised you back-to-back content this season, and it's about to go premium. Please, guys, please stay tuned. Okay, I will see you in the kitchen. So, guys, as we all know, the festive season is right around the corner. So I'm going to be teaching you guys a healthy drink today. As an advocate for healthy lifestyle, I'll be teaching you how to make hibiscus drink, which is known as Zobo drink in Nigeria. Because a lot of people will be coming to your house this season, you need to learn how to make this. Number one, is very healthy, it's medicinal compared to all this soft drink, and it's very economical. So today, chill and relax while you watch me make an healthy Zobo drink. That is hibiscus drink for you guys. Okay. Everything we've been needing is right here. This is the hibiscus leaf, the real Zobo leaf. So this is it. It's in two different species. This is the smaller seed. I also have the bigger seed, which I'll be using some other time. But for the sake of today Zobo making, I'm using this smaller seed. Okay, guys. So this is the hibiscus leaf. I have one chunk of pineapple. This is pineapple, guys. You all know pineapple. And I've got oranges. This is sweet oranges here. And I've got apple. I've got apple, guys. And I've also got my ginger. This is my ginger. And I've got cloves in here. This is clove. And I've got some flavor. I've got banana flavor, I've got cola flavor, I've got strawberry flavor, all for my yummy Zobo. So guys, what I would like for you to do now is watch me while I do it. To start with, I'm going to be washing all the fruits. To start with, I'll be washing all the fruit. So let's wash our pineapple. Is to cut the head of this pineapple. That's what we'll be doing. After cutting the head, I'll put the peeler inside this way and I'll press it down, guys, and I'll turn it around. I'll turn it around, guys. Watch me. It's very easy and fast. Because this pineapple, like I said, I've bought it over 2 weeks now, so that's why it's like this. But you can see I still have a very good result. Can you see the way it has helped peel the pineapple? It's stress-free. It's very stress-free. Can you see the way it has peeled it? I'll still continue again and press it further. This is the easiest way to peel your pineapple as free. I think the pineapple is still very fresh. It's going to come out very neat and all the peel is going to peel off. Can you see, guys? So this is the best way to peel the pineapple. You can see all the chunks are out, and I'll remove this peel. And one funny thing is the stick is going to come out straight, just like this. Here. So we are going to manage this pineapple because that's all I've got here, and the back is very, very relevant in what we're doing. That's why I had to wash it first. So I'll cut the back like this. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to do to the back, guys. So to have a yummy and juicy Zobo drink, I'm going to be blending the pineapple with the ginger. So this is the washed ginger and this is the can you see how neat the pineapple is? So I'm going to be, so for all this escape back, I'm going to trim them off. So we can have a fresh juice. So all those parts that is already overripe, I'm going to cut them off. And I'm going over here. Let me even taste the pineapple. This is the first pineapple I'll be buying fresh in UK. Wow, it's so yummy, guys. I don't expect it to be this sweet, but it's sweet. You can see me carefully selecting them. This is the part of the inner pipe. Is the part that I like most in pineapple. Oh my god, it's so yummy. So guys, after done this, I'm going to be cooking this other part in a pot. So yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, so this is the pot. I'm going to be using the cooker. Yeah. So I'm using this. So I'll be putting all this yummy stuff. The apple goes in, the oranges as well, and our pineapple bag. I hope this doesn't spoil the show because it's already overripe. But all we need is just the taste. So it's going to go in as well. So the pineapple and the blender and the ginger, I want to blend it to give it more yummy pineapple taste. Remember, guys. So that's about that. Yeah. So here is where I'll put our clove. I almost forgot this, guys, the most important thing. Now it's time to pour our pineapple and blended ginger, guys. Now is the time to pour it. So this is it, our pineapple and ginger, guys. It's really going to be yummy today. This is cooking, guys. Our zobo is cooking. We'll come back and check after 35 minutes. Our zobo is ready, guys. Can you see? So this is what I've got from inside. It's still remaining in the pot and I'm still sieving it out. I still have this in the pot and I'm still going to sieve it out. Guys, it's already tasting yummy. This is the end product. Yeah. So, see what? So this is the remaining one. I'm still draining it. Guys, in all, see what I got. So I got this big bowl. This bowl and the remaining one I pour there. So I'm going to let it cool down. Yeah. So I'll just let it cool down, then highway. Hey guys, this is the end result. Hibiscus leaf